Well guys, we're down in Panama City. Been down here for about 2 weeks, and we got Tropical Storm Fred coming. And I'm going to try my hand at doing storm reporting. So I'm going to flip the camera around, give you a little sight. It's not raining too bad, but I'm sure it's going to get worse. Just a little bit of rain. You got a valley in the roof that seems to catch a lot of the rain, but got my trusty rain gauge. We're gonna go empty it out and see how much water we get. Oh, that wasn't too much. That was over 4 or 5 days ago. Well, we got a rain gauge out. It's about 8 o'clock, and yeah, we're gonna sit back and watch this storm, see what happens. Hopefully this tree right here, leaning our way after Hurricane Michael, hopefully that doesn't come down. If it does, they'll probably slap the house a little bit. But, so. All right, weather update. It's a little after 1 o'clock. Tropical Storm Fred's nearing. They say it might become a Cat 1 hurricane. It's raining a little bit, not too bad. A little bit of wind. Nothing too major right yet. We'll go check the rain gauge. Remember, I emptied it out at about 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe a little over an inch or so, but that little valley in the roof still leaking some rain. Yeah, I'll come back out another hour or two and give another update. Well, here's an update. It's 3:15. We just got a national weather warning, flash flood advisory for our location till like 8:15 Central Time. It's starting to become a little breezier. You have the rocking chairs moving. It's not too bad. Coming from Sitka, Alaska, we'd call this just a little breezy, a little windy day. Checking our rain gauge. Shoot, we got a decent amount. I'd say 3 inches so far since 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, Tropical Storm Fred should be here about 5:30. Another couple hours and we should see it. So I'll come out. We got a little bit of thunder going on, a little bit of lightning. Not too bad so far. Another update. It's about 4:15. It's raining pretty good. Windy a little bit. Got some water coming off the roof. I got some flooding over in the corner. And we're gonna go measure our rain gauge. So there's some power outages at Panama City Beach already. Alright, looks like 7 inches. 7 inches of rain. And woo! I got smoked. About an hour ago, it was 4 inches. My last video, I said it's 3. I came out and measured it afterwards, and it's actually 4. So I rained about 3 inches in the last hour. So we'll come back when the storm gets closer. A little breezy. First tropical storm. All right, it's about 5:15. Tropical Storm Fred made landfall about 5 o'clock. Around Apalachicola. We're over here in Panama City. We got a little bit of flooding, a little tree that's down over there. You know, not too bad. Not too bad for a tropical storm. Oh, look, we got another big tree. Kind of came down over here. Let's go take a look at it. Ooh, not too bad. Yep. A couple trees came down. What do you think, Freya? So cold out here in the wind. What do you think about your first tropical storm?
No.
Was it like Sitka?
Yeah.
Worse or better? Worse? I think it was about as good. Not too much destruction over here. A couple trees. Let's go back in the backyard and check the rain gauge. Kids are gonna come over, stop fighting. Kids are out here outside playing, riding the bike. Boy's riding the sis's bike that she doesn't like. Whew. No, I'd say this storm's pretty much about over. Maybe not, I don't know. I haven't been through one of these, but compared to Alaska, this is kind of like a rainy, breezy day. Backyard, one of our jasmine bushes blew off the fence. Not too much. Alright, let's measure our, holy crap. We got a lot. Alright, measure it. You all the way at the bottom?
Yeah, almost 8.5.
8.5 inches. Yeah. Yeah, I feel it. Go ahead. Alright. Go ahead, Freya. Oh man, oh, Mom's gonna kill us. Woo.
Oh, the trampoline!
Yeah, go play on the trampoline. I'm gonna go shut the gate. There's 3 kids playing in the rain. Tropical Storm Fred. It's probably past us. We'll wait and see what happens. Thanks for watching.